So what I really need you to understand is that the above examples I'm posting from TikTok are also on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So all of the social media platforms are working together to create a matrix or matrices in which surveillance, that's traditional and neural and bio surveillance data, is usurped into the cloud that feeds this whole infrastructure, okay? It's a part of the metaverse that they're building out, or the Web3 infrastructure, which includes a BCI, a brain-computer interface. So all of these people are forming or world building based on the cognitive data and information that's coming into their cloud. And that information helps them build this script that is about targeting other people, or about the adversary, or about opposition. Basically, they're performing a script on evil versus good. They cloak it as empath versus narcissist because they've stolen a lot of their thinking from people like Sam Vaknin and Richard Grannon. Well, I wouldn't really call it theft because these people are actual like architects. They supply ideology and process to the rest of the affiliates. They supply know-how of psychological and behavioral conditioning or warfare, and then these people turn around and launder it as spiritual warfare. So when you're targeted, they want you to think of it as mental or spiritual. You're being attacked by the paranormal and by the devil and Satan, when it's really just men and women who are targeting you with surveillance and Stasi-style decomposition, and they're using all of the infrastructure that's going into the metaverse and what will be extended virtual reality, augmented reality, stuff like that. So it's all the tech bros, the platforms, and everybody that's working together to like sort of test out these virtual prisons of isolating people and decomposing people. So they work in the background, and they have all of these affiliates that are neural linked. So they're communicating using things such as conceptual or synthetic telepathy, or sort of like intuitive nudges in the form of media shown on their devices or around them, which are all linked on servers or in the cloud for this infrastructure that's being built or has already been built, but the general public is not aware of it. So this network is a criminal enterprise. It is an actual network of people who are affiliates and operatives who are given a script and a marketing plan, a turnkey social presence, so that they can work as proxies of abuse for the platforms and other people who work through them. Their job is to target other people with surveillance, and then use that surveillance to entangle or entrap those targeted people into their content, into their publishing, into their media that is then monetized and, 5 times laundered for entertainment and something benign. It's not. When you trace it all the way back, it's a real person that they've targeted. It's a real identity that they've stolen. It's a real human being that they're trailing behind. And it's a real person that they're all actively trying to Stasi-style decompose, which means to kill. And they've gamed it so everybody's doing this whole, I'm sacrificing somebody, and they're trying to make their way up their affiliate Ponzi, believing that this is some paranormal thing because of abuse of the technology and surveillance. Some of them know, some of them don't know. It's a Ponzi. They jump each other into it, okay? And then they target other people to get relief for themselves or to elevate in rank within the Ponzi. Alrighty? So all of this script that they're talking about is based on real world targeting. And another reason why they're using the battle of good and evil, or pretending like they're fighting the adversary Satan, is because this involves electromagnetic warfare. That's a part of their psychological warfare, aka their spiritual warfare, which means that it's unseen, technological, and all of these people are taking that to be something that's spiritual, but they're actually laundering a larger crime, right? And that's the whole point of having these people conditioned as social media influencers or entrepreneurs, so that they can hide or cloak the larger operation that's based around military style or mob style targeting of other people. They use persecution, keeping in line with the Bible, like you're being judged by our holy judges, by God, and they make using neural technology a spiritual experience. This is considered a false religious experience, and these people are considered a false light. Okay, so that's what's going on here.